Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to connect the IWO SE Plus smartwatch with the phone, and today we have a Huawei phone. It is Android system. Firstly, you need to use the phone scanner to scan this QR code and download the app. If you have an iPhone, you need to download the iOS version from the Apple Store, and also you can download from the Google Play. And I will download. Now it is downloaded successfully, and we will go to install it. And after install, we can grant auto access to the app. Then we click open. And for the first time you open the app, you need to grant the permission. And also open the notification permission. We all click OK. Then it is installed successfully. Now let's go to connect the watch with the phone. Firstly, we go to setting and device connectivity, then the Bluetooth, and turn on the Bluetooth. Then we go to the watch. And click the beating notification. And then search new device. Then power on the Bluetooth first. And then we will see the phone Bluetooth is showing here, and we click. Now it's pairing. And there will be a pairing request on the watch. Then we click pair. And also there is a phone book access request. We click yes. Now the watch is connected successfully. Then we go to the app. And then we can see in the app the watch is also connected successfully. And now the data is loading to synchronize from the watch to the phone. And we can see there are 4 pages in the app. Now let's see the functions of the smartwatch. Firstly, phone book. This watch can synchronize the phone book from the phone. And then dialer. You can make calls directly from the watch. Also, you can decline directly. then the heart rate. Then messaging icon. Messaging icon is not available. And then the calculator. And Siri. You can tap to speak to Siri or voice assistant if you have an Android phone. You can see here. And then the weather and the calendar. Then sleep monitor and stopwatch. And then sedentary reminder and the pedometer. Then there is setting and the Bluetooth setting clock. You can change the time to off. Then you can change the date and time by yourself. And the sound. Then volume. And main style. And then display. And motion. You can click the wake up gesture. And international, you can click the auto synchronization to off. And you can then change the language by yourself. And the apps and reset. If you want to reset, you can click the reset. And then about. It is the device name i7s. And the alarm clock. You can tap to add the alarm. And then lost alert. And then find my device. Then if you click, the phone will ring. Okay, then Bluetooth music. For the first time, you need to open the music app. And the remote camera function. You need to go inside the app, then click Android. And now you can see then you can click the watch and it will take picture. And the picture is stored in the phone. Then the call logs. and the remote notifier. All those incoming messages will be synchronized in this icon. And then blood pressure, and the blood oxygen. And the Bluetooth connection, it is for connect the watch with the phone. And there is several sports mode, such as running, walking, climbing, and cycling. And if we click, it can monitor your sports. And walking, climbing, and cycling. Okay, all above are those functions of this smartwatch. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. We will have more and more interesting videos for you. Thanks for watching.